Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kaiber AI, generate AI music videos step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Kaiber AI. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. The Login button is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address that you used to register. Next, look for the password field. Enter your password in the designated area. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Sign In button. After a moment, you should be redirected to your account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. From here, you can start creating your AI music videos. Enjoy exploring the features available on Kaiber AI. If you encounter any issues during login, check your credentials for accuracy. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Finally, if problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.